Well, hi there folks. The camera company Apeman asked me if I'd like to take a look at their SS200 rechargeable selfie stick. So my first thought was, what on earth is a rechargeable selfie stick? Well, I can tell you actually what it is a selfie stick that extends 46 centimeters in this case, which is built into a rechargeable battery. Looking at the kit itself, it's got a tripod mount in the base, USB-C there for charging, wrist strap so you can put it on there, don't lose it. On the action end here you've got micro USB on a telescopic lead that plugs into the camera, and you've got a mount. So basically the way to use it is straightforward enough. You charge it, 4 little LEDs there show you the state of charge. I'll show you once I've actually got it plugged up. 4 LEDs fully charged. You've got this mount on the top, so in the case of the Apeman, for example, which comes with a skeleton case, you could put a tripod mount on the base, screw that into that, put the camera in, mount the camera. Incidentally, it looks really nicely made, quality finish, bit of a rubberized hand grip there so you won't drop it. Plug the camera in like so, plug in the lead, and this will fire up when it's powered up. And as you can see there, probably showing 3 LEDs, which means it's 3/4 charged. When it's fully charged, that 4th LED will be alight. So as you can see, it's charging. Now when you bear in mind that 8-man normal battery that's in the camera is about 1000 milliamps, gives you about an hour and a half recording time. If you add on the 2600 milliamps in the rechargeable lithium battery, you've, I would say, got an easily potential 4 hours of recording time, which is quite amazing. So very useful bit of kit if you're out filming and got a lot of filming to do. Very useful bit of kit. Of course, the other thing is, makes a nice handle, so when you're recording, not only is it charging and giving you plenty of recording time, but you've got something good to hold the camera with. So all in all, I think it's rather a clever idea and a very useful bit of kit. And as I say, it looks really nicely made. There's a really good quality feel about it, and the selfie stick retails at about $40, which is a remarkably good price, I think, for a bit of kit like this. There is a full review of the A87 on my channel too, which I will link at the end. Anyway, I hope you found that helpful. If you've enjoyed it, maybe give me a thumbs up down there or a like on the video, and why not even subscribe? Plenty of stuff on my channel to keep you amused, from flying to wildlife to sailing to action camera tests, radio control models and more. But that's it for now. Stay safe. Hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.